Hello everyone, welcome to my Java programming course. Today, we will discuss the basic operators in the programming language using examples. The first type of operators are arithmetic operators, which are basic mathematical operations. The first one we have is the addition operator, which allows us to add values together. As we can see, the console displayed the number 7, which was obtained by adding the numbers 4 and 3. The next operator is subtraction, which allows you to subtract values from each other. The multiplication operator helps multiply values by each other, just like in mathematics. The next operator is division, which allows us to divide numbers by each other. We also have the remainder operator, which calculates how many numbers are left over when a number is divided by an integer. Accordingly, if everything divides evenly, we get a remainder of 0. In this example, we got the number 1 because when dividing 13 by 4, our number was 1 more than what was needed to get an integer result from the division. Another set of arithmetic operations are increment and decrement. These operations increase and decrease a number, respectively. They come in prefix and postfix forms. Right now, we'll use the postfix forms, which will immediately increase or decrease the number. Prefix forms do this later. We'll discuss them in more detail when we cover loops. As we saw, using 2 plus signs increased the number by 1, while using 2 minus signs decreased it by 1. Next, we have comparison operators, which are typically used to check certain conditions. Right now, we are creating a Boolean variable that will return either true or false. The first operator here is the less than operator. Accordingly, if the condition before the operator is not true compared to the condition after the operator, we get false, otherwise, we get true. The greater than operator works in the same way. There are also the greater than or equal to and less than or equal to operators. Accordingly, when checking with these operators, both conditions will be evaluated, and if one of them is true, we will get true. The condition will be true if the number is equal to the number in the condition. The double equal sign operator checks if a number is equal to the number in the condition. The not equal to operator checks if a number is not equal to the number specified in the condition. Next are the logical operators, which are used when you need to check a combined condition. The logical and condition will be true only if both specified conditions are true. The OR operator allows us to consider the condition true if at least one of the conditions is true. Another logical operator is not, also known as negation. This operator negates a condition. For example, if we want to store the negation of the first variable in the second variable, we would use this operator. Today, we learned about the most commonly used operators in the Java programming language and saw how they are used in practice. Now, try writing code using these operators on your own. Thank you for your attention, and see you in the next lessons.